Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, saying good morning from Brooklyn, New York. Let's go Mets. Good morning wherever you are. It's freezing out here, but I need to get some fresh air like I do every morning. Get on my sip of coffee. I can barely talk, and if you guys saw my Robinhood video from yesterday, if you're paying attention today, you know that Robinhood eased restrictions and that GameStop trade in pre-market right now in futures is surging like 79%. In other words, we're in for quite a wild ride. It's freezing out. I think I gotta go inside. Let's check to see how the stock markets are likely to open up on this, the final trading session of what is definitely a wild week on Wall Street. Futures, they're lower in early trade this Friday morning as heightened speculative trade by retail investors dominate headlines. Shares of GameStop doubling in pre-market trade after Robinhood said it will allow limited buying of the stock and other heavily shorted names after restricting access yesterday. Robinhood raising more than $1 billion from its existing investors overnight, in addition to tapping bank credit lines to ensure that it had the capital required to allow some trading again in volatile markets. Investors are concerned that if GameStop continues to rise in such a volatile fashion, it may ripple through the financial markets, causing losses at brokers like Robinhood and forcing hedge funds who bet against the stock to sell other securities to raise cash. At the same time, there are concerns that this may also be a sign of a larger bubble in the market and that its unraveling could also cause quite a bit of problem and hit retail investors hard. Meanwhile, strong corporate earnings continue. We have Caterpillar, Chevron, Eli Lilly, and Honeywell all reporting before the bell. And lastly, some advice: YOLO!